Now we want to create an about page. If you have made it thus far, I congratulate you. You are doing very, very well, and I assure you the rest of the course will be as exciting as the other half gone by. So now we want to create an about page. But before we go into creating the about page, one more thing you should do here on your home page, you just scroll down, right, to these options here. Remember I told you these options are peculiar to the theme we are using, the Rive theme. Right, so come to title bar here. We want to get rid of this. You see this home stuff here. Of course, this has no connection with what we are trying to build, so we want to get rid of that. So come to title bar here and turn it off, then update. Then you could come here and refresh to see what it's like. Now we are making progress. You see, looking nice. So that's that. So now to build the about page, let's come to pages. You see, we have the home page here. The typical thing to do is to start creating, add new page and start creating the about page from scratch, but you don't have to do that. There is a plugin you can use to now duplicate content. So let's go to plugins here and add new. There's a plugin called duplicate page and you can use it to duplicate content. So you just, once you have created one robust page, you can just keep editing it. So come here, search under here for duplicate, no O here, duplicate page. Duplicate page. So here, install this. Once it's done, activate. Good. So let's go back to pages now. You see your home page. When you hover over it, can you see there's an extra option here that says duplicate this? So click on that and to now duplicate that as a draft. So you have it here, home draft. So open it and we're going to edit that as our about page. So the first thing we do is we change this title to about us. Edit the permalink. Let's make it about. Okay. I don't want this slider, so I can disable row. Let me show you what I did. You click on this edit icon, right? Edit this row. You click on it. Scroll up, look for disable row and say yes. So once you disable it, it won't show anymore. I don't want this too, so I disable this. You can either delete or disable. Sometimes I prefer disabling, so in the future if I want to use it for something on that page, I can always enable it and edit it as required. So disable row, yes. Okay, so let's use this now. Let's edit this and call it welcome. So by the way, we have not thought of a name for our restaurant. Welcome to, what do we call it? Chop and Go. Let's call it Chop and Go. Chop and Go. That's a good name. Welcome to Chop and Go. Okay, let's edit this image and delete this, add new image. So what do I do? Where do I click from here? If you said upload files, you are correct. So upload files, select files, and then what image will I put there? Let's put you. Set image, save changes. Let's delete this button. I don't want this. So we publish the page. Okay. Now let's check what it looks like on the front end with the permalink here. You see? Nice. Welcome to Chop and Go. Mwah. Nice. Good. Okay. This. So let's get back here. Okay. So let's keep editing. Let's come down. I will retain this line, this separator. Let me edit this intercontinental dishes. Let's call it Africanas. Africanas. Save changes. So these images, let's edit them as well. Delete this. Add new. Upload image. Yes. Africana. Set image. Let me see, what size do I want it? Large. Okay. Save. Let's edit this. Delete. Upload a new one. Africana. Save. So let's delete this too, so we can always just duplicate what we have here and bring it here. Duplicate this and bring it here. This. Update. Let's see the front end. Okay. Yes, it's taking good shape. Taking good shape. Let's keep editing. Okay, so let's see. A taste of India. I don't want this, so I disable this. Disable this row. Disable row. Yes. Okay. Let me delete this altogether. I don't want that space. So let me put some text there. I have some text there. Okay, so let me add a row here. Row. Let me add. I can just duplicate. Remember, I don't have to add from scratch. So I duplicate this. Bring it down here to my row, and I need a text box, text block as well. So duplicate this. Bring it down here as well. So let me make this centralized. Centralize this. Save changes. This, edit this. Let's call it a little history. Save changes. I need another divider under here, so I'll just duplicate this, bring it down, and then let me have a new row here. I'm going to break this. Let me put, let's feature some of our colleagues here. So let me break this into, remember what I showed you last time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Let's make it 1 over 3. Let's use 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Let's feature 3 of our colleagues, okay? Update. That's custom and update. Or if you want, you can make it 3 and then you can now add the 1 plus 1. It all depends on you. Whatever works best for you. At this point, you're already becoming a pro, so I'm not so worried. So let's add heading here. Let's duplicate this, drag it here. Let's call this our team. Our team. Save changes, right? Let's duplicate any of these images. Bring it down here. So you can edit this and put somebody. Let's edit. Let's put Madame here. Okay, save. Let's duplicate this. Let's change some other image here. Let's put Olga here. Okay, Save changes, duplicate, drag, drop, edit, delete this image, upload a new one. Let's put this right. Save changes, update. Let's see what it looks like on the front end. Refresh. Okay, scroll down. African has a little history. Wow, nice. Our team. Okay, so let's put names for them. Let's put names. So what do I use? What do you think I should use? If you said text block, you are correct. If you said heading, you are correct. So let's duplicate this heading and just take it here and bring it here. And let's call this Nneka Orji. Duplicate this maybe here. Wole Jacob. Okay, look at this. Bring it here. And anti-palm. Let's add designation. So we add here. Let's add a text block for designations here. Under here, CEO, Madam CEO. So centralize this. Save changes. Drag this, drop here. Let's see who is Wole now. Wole is our head chef. Okay. And who is anti-palm? Anti-palm is our baker. Save changes. Update. Let's see what it looks like here. Refresh. Okay. Nneka Orji, CEO, head chef. Oh, nice. Let's reduce the space here. I think it's too much. So remember how I showed you to reduce spaces? Can you tell me how? Okay, so what do? Scroll down. What next? Did you say I click here? Yes, I did this. I want to reduce the space, so I come to design options. Now, this is what I'm editing, so is the space above it I want to reduce, and 0px, right? That's smart. I like that. 0px and 0px. Yeah, just so smart. Right? And this, I want to reduce the space beneath. So I come here, 0px, 0px, and 0px, and save. Right? I do same for all. If I had already done it for this before duplicating it, then I won't have to go through all this. Since I've already done it on one and I'm duplicating, it will just apply to others as well. 0px and 0px. So do it for all the others. Do it for all the others. Pause the video and do it for the rest. Okay, have you done that? Good. So update and refresh here. See what we have. Nice. So this is our about page, right? Taking shape, eh? So if you have this right on your screen, you are an excellent student. I give you A+. I give you A+. In the next lesson, we'll see how to create a contact us page.